Dr. Amina Hersi Moghe was born in 1962. Her family originated from Somalia but settled in Kenya in pre-colonial period. Her family later migrated to Bungoma in western Kenya near the Kenya-Uganda border, where her family still has business interests.
My entrepreneurship comes from my mother because my father died in 1971 when I was just 9 years old. So what I want to tell you people that I was brought up by a single mother.
Because of strict cultural values and upbringing, Dr. Amina was not able to pursue higher levels of formal education, and her parents preferred to introduce her and her siblings to business at an early age. It is this introduction into business that led Dr. Amina to venture into cross-border trade at an early age. Her main business was supplying cement to Uganda when the country was just emerging from civil strife. Today, Dr. Amina is a leading woman entrepreneur and investor whose zeal and hard work in sectors previously dominated by men has earned her accolades from both local and international business leaders.
I am not going to talk a lot. We are not only going to manufacture sugar. We are going to give so many other businesses, schools, everything, that hospitals, whereby everybody will be thinking to get the best hospital, I need to come here. So even that will be another income.
We will bring practical skills. She's going to upgrade her buildings. And in the top floor, we're going to start off with our first academy and open up a networking area at the restaurant where these people can come and network and build relationships. Good. And what that means is uplifting your economy.
We were awarded, both of you, us. And I was given in construction. Building and construction.
In less than a decade, Dr. Amina has single-handedly started and completed landmark investment projects which have changed the face of the city of Kampala. These remarkable achievements have won Dr. Amina local and international recognition, the most recent being the New Economy Africa Businesswoman of the year 2014, which was presented to her at the London Stock Exchange.
Amina Hersi Moghe of Kada Investments, many congratulations, winning the New Economy Award for Businesswoman of the Year, Africa 2014.
I'm very humbled and privileged to be the best woman in investment for Africa.
Her projects include the Oasis Mall, which houses Nakumatt, the first 24 hours supermarket in Uganda, the Lebanon Courts luxury apartments, and Kingston hardware stores, which were the first suppliers of cement and building materials in Kampala, Uganda, after the country was stabilized. Dr. Amina's projects have provided employment to over 6,000 people, mostly women.
Amina has come to the north. This is a very good advantage which the women of the north should take. Even Rome was not built in one day, and I believe that if the women can join hands and join Amina in this big sugar project, we should be able to say bye-bye to poverty.
Let us take just kind of initiative because it is a good venture. It is a good thing which can elevate our poverty from our home. It is a good thing we shall teach our children because in the farm here I've seen so many employees.
When government and everything are looking for factories, and I don't want to be in politics, but this is something which, and you know, right now we are in a small capacity. But once we plant more cane and what we continue, we might be the ones supplying the whole of the Africa. Because if you look at Zambia, they supply so many countries, even Kenya. Kenya needs sugar. Now we need Sudan. You know, these are the things we should now think. Everyone, 1 minute. I just want to understand this how it is.
Her determination and unique ability to make things happen has endeared her to several African heads of state who have personally visited her projects to witness firsthand the transformation and impact they have on the city and its people. These achievements are in spite of the fact that Dr. Amina acquired only basic education because her family preferred nurturing her into business at an early age, and the community was not keen to advocate for further education for the girl child.
I started my actually career from when I was that 9 years, was every time being encouraged to do business, which I started from a very young age, because my mother wanted the boys to focus on studies, because she knew where they were going to go.
We are so honored to have a woman.
On 22nd November 2014, she was awarded the Honorary Doctor of Philosophy degree by the United Graduate College and Seminary International, USA.
I further swear that I will continue to serve God and mankind in all ways. So help me God.
Come on, somebody.
In October 2015, she was awarded the CEO Most Influential Women Award, Business and Construction.
We should come out and portray our potential. We should also, when we want things, we should be able to go and knock any office, because this is our country. We have opportunities like anybody else.
In June 2014, she was awarded the New Economy Africa Businesswoman of the Year 2014.
Other investments, I have already done a lot. I think I will be one of the people who will be championing, and to show that the country is very stable and we are doing a lot. We will be the forefront, but people will afterwards also see that we are serious, and they will come on board.
In January 2013, she was awarded the Moran of the Order of the Burning Spear, 3rd class, by His Excellency Mwai Kibaki, the President of the Republic of Kenya. In January 2012, she was awarded the Best Woman Entrepreneur by Uganda Women Entrepreneurs Association Limited, UWIL. In January 2008, she was awarded Woman Investor of the Year by Uganda Investment Authority, UIA. She is also proving free extension services and advice on intercropping and dairy farming that will enable the farmers to be self-sufficient in food production. The farmers are also being organized to form savings and credit cooperatives that will help them save and secure loans at affordable rates.
Thank you.